Vegan News, the 5th of February 17. Dr. Greger from Nutrition Facts talks about how and if we should avoid soy. Or he might even be talking about if you are in high risk because you have maybe bad genes, it's even more important that you eat healthy plants. You eat plants, you go vegan, and it's the funny thing is that soy is one of the most protective things against cancer and also breast cancer. So let's see what the science says.
And those who eat more soy live longer and have a lower risk of the cancer coming back. Soy phytoestrogens could turn back on BRCA protection suppressed by breast cancer, upregulating BRCA expression as much as 1,000% within 48 hours. Soy intake was only associated with 27% breast cancer risk reduction in people with normal BRCA genes, but a 73% risk reduction in carriers of BRCA gene mutations. So a healthy diet may be particularly important in those at high genetic risk.
Any vegan news, send them my way.